street. Stay on the phone, make yourself feel at home. Things are okay, just a little postponed. We hope you're not mad, but that's the end.
Hello, good morning friends. So it is Tuesday. This is what I'm having for breakfast. I made some banana oatmeal pancakes with some strawberries, raspberries, and a little bit of almond butter. And I threw in a much more butter in the middle because I love butter. Don't come at me. And I'm also having some coffee here. And it's time to come back to work. Hello, good afternoon my friends. Today is Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. Did jump out of bed and I started working because I did have a lot of research to do and a lot of homework preparing to do. And I just finished a Zoom meeting. I am gonna go give Pirate a shower. If you guys do know who Pirate is, it's our dog. He's so cute. I'm gonna go shower him. It's gonna be very difficult because he hates showers. So I just made lunch right now. I did my own salsa. I put lettuce, ground beef, sour cream, and some jalapenos and tortillas, of course. It's so delicious. Alright friends, so it is now later on in the afternoon. It is currently 3:00 p.m. First, I'm going to share with you guys my readings for this week. The first books that I'm going to share with you are the ones that I have on my Kindle. And I'm currently, let's see. The book that I'm currently reading is The Hate You Give by Angie Thomas. After reading Concrete Rose, I just wanted to know more about Arden Heights and the characters. So far, I really like it. I'm also going to be reading One of Us is Lying by Canon McManus. Hopefully I pronounced her last name correctly. On Monday afternoon, 5 students at Bayview High walk into detention. So kind of like the Breakfast Club. So we have Bronwyn, who is the brain, a Yale-bound and never breaks a rule. We have Addie, who is the picture-perfect homecoming princess. Cooper, who is the athlete, and Simon, who is the outcast. So only Simon, who is the outcast, never makes it out of the classroom. Oh, before the end of detention, Simon's dead. Holy shit. Okay, that's good. And according to investigators, his death wasn't an accident. On Monday, he died, but on Tuesday, he'd planned to post juicy reveals about all 4 of his high-profile classmates. Ooh, that sounds intense and intriguing. So that one is 361 pages. And hopefully I'm able to read all of these books before the end of the week. Hope you guys enjoy this reading vlog where I'll just take you guys through my week and share with you guys my readings, my thoughts, my feelings and everything, and just share with you guys other things that I do. Now I'm gonna edit while watching Netflix and drinking my iced tea. Also want to organize my stationery again because I got new stationery items, so I'll share that with you guys and we'll see what happens throughout the week. It's now 8:48 p.m. and I just finished editing the first part of the video. I'm gonna continue tomorrow because I'm just so pooped. I'm just so tired right now. It took me around, what time did I start? 5 hours just to edit the first part of my video. Now I am gonna go take a shower, but I think I'm gonna make myself a tea and then I'm gonna read a little bit of Hood Feminism because I need to start it. So yeah, I'll update you guys later. Done with work. It's very cold today. The weather is so nice. So I'm gonna clean my room really quick. my friends. Today is Thursday night. It is currently raining. I think it's going to be raining all night, so I'm really happy about that. Today I did finish work early, so my brother and I, we went to Dunkin' Donuts and we took our dog on a little trip to Petco. I think any dog is excited to go to Petco for some reason because they get free treats. I also bought him a raincoat and he is wearing it right now, but he looks so cute. And we got him like matching little yellow boots as well. But I wanted to update you guys with my readings. I am reading The Hate You Give by Angie Thomas. I know I did read Concrete Rose first, which is the sequel to The Hate You Give. Concrete Rose tells the story of Maybrick, how he had his life as a teenager, and then The Hate You Give, it follows his daughter, who is Star. She goes through one of her best friends from her childhood get shot right in front of her, and it was a white cop who shot him. I think that The Hate You Give is very emotional. I'm on page 112. She does attend a private school where basically the whole school is white. She does move from Two Worlds, which is her poor neighborhood where she lives, and at her private school where it's very fancy and it's a prep school, and a lot of kids have things that she doesn't have, like they go on trips and she's not able to do that. Today was a very hard day. Not a hard day, but I have mentioned in the past about me having 2 jobs and stuff, but today I decided that I am going to put in my 2 weeks notice for my second job. That's gonna happen and I'm excited. But at the same time I'm sad because I have been working with these kids for 3 years now. When you work with them for a while, watch them grow and learn so many things, and it's sad. I'm gonna continue reading right now. It is currently, let's see, 7:00 p.m. so I'm gonna read a bit and just cuddle up and get cozy and relaxed for the rest of the night. So maybe make myself some tea. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. I'm eating my lunch right now. I'm having some pineapples and I made myself a toast with egg, spinach, and cheese. I could not find anything to eat this morning because we can't eat meat today. So every Friday we don't eat any meat. I have been reading The Hate You Give and I really like it. I really like this book. I'm on page 340 and I am 67% in. I have 77, 87, 97, 33% left of it. So I'm excited. I'm so emotional right now. Last night I was very emotional because this book just crushes you internally, externally. It has so many things that are very sad but important. It talks about racism and police brutality, white privilege, because there is a character that is pissing me off, and it's Stars, the main character's friend, at her private school. She has an Asian friend and a white friend. The white friend, whose name is Haley, I think? Yeah, Haley. I don't even care about her, but I hate her so much. She makes me want to pull out my hair because she doesn't check her privilege, and she's just very ignorant about like the whole circumstances that are going on with Star's friend that was killed by a white cop. Star also keeps a Tumblr where she uploaded a picture of Emmett Till. Then her friend Haley, she unfollowed her because of that. Sorry, I'm like moving my pineapple around. I find it kind of weird, you know, because you see stuff like this, you should not stay quiet and use your voice of stuff that happens and stuff that happened in the past. And Haley, she is staying silent. And she is being racist by just brushing these things to the side. I definitely want to watch the movie. But I'm going to finish my food. And I'm going to read. And I'll update you guys later. Hello, it is now later on in the afternoon. It is currently 3:00 p.m. I just finished my lunch. It was very delicious. It's the first time that I make a toast with an egg hole. I have no idea what it's called, but basically you make a hole in the middle of the bread and then you put in the egg. Right now I'm going to fix my stationery. I did get new things. Those stationery items again. I usually only buy new things when I get paid, because I'm adding more to my collection of my stationery. I'm gonna be doing that right now. And I also wanted to share with you guys some things that I got on Amazon today. I'm very excited because I've been wanting to try the milk tea from there. I got the Thai tea last time, but today I decided to get the milk tea. And then I got some sticky notes because I need them. And then I got some bursting boba. Still reading the T.h.u.g. And maybe later on we'll just watch some Netflix. Love Alarm just came out today, yeah. My sister and I, we were watching it last night, but it was pretty slow. So technically in this season I think they're gonna focus more on the main character, what's her name? Kim Jo? Yeah, Kim Jo. And it's obviously a love triangle, and my sister and I were fighting last night of who she is going to stay with. So I'm pretty excited. So let's fix the stationery. Got these pens from Amazon. They are great for sketches, for your journaling, and for drawing. I got this tablecloth for my Instagram picture, and I got this little pencil case for the wall. Got these stickers. Got this little mug, a frog mug. Probably gonna give it to my nephew because he liked it, so I'm just gonna give it to him, maybe. And then I got these postcards. I got more stickers. And these panda stickers. Got more stickers. I got this little image. I got some glue sticks.
it's P. Stay on the phone, make yourself feel at home. Things are okay, just a little postponed. We hope you're not mad, but that's the unknown. Your call is important, your call is important. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Caller number 9, thanks for hanging tight. We've been occupied, but you've been on our mind. Caller number 3, just a moment please. If you'd only see, your call is important, your call is important.
Hello, hi. It is Saturday night. Yesterday I did finish reading The T.h.u.g by Angie Thomas. I loved it, 5 out of 5. I don't think that I should explain why I liked it so much. It's definitely a book that I recommend, and I'm really happy that I finally read it. Angie Thomas is definitely one of my favorite authors this year because of how powerful she writes and how easy and straightforward she writes. If you are going to read a book about racism and police brutality, please read The T.h.u.g. I can't wait to watch the movie. I know it's gonna make me cry. And I started reading One of Us is Lying on Kindle, and I've heard pretty bad things about it, but so far there's nothing like really going on. There are like 4 students got their phones taken away and they got detention. During detention, one of the students gets thirsty and he gets up, grabs a cup, and as he starts drinking it, he starts like kind of choking. It turns out that he's having an allergic reaction, and the only thing that he's allergic to is peanut. So they're trying to find an EpiPen. They can't find it. The ambulance comes, they take him away. At this point he's not breathing and he dies. So the whole plot of the story is going to be, how did the student taint peanut oil in the cup? I'm also reading Hood Feminism, and I think I'm on page like 65. Also made myself a milk tea today. I created this bottle, by the way. It looks kind of like weird. That's my update on my readings. Oh my gosh, what's gonna happen? Oh my god.
Now when it happens, don't act mad. You gotta look calm. Answer their questions, but don't tell them nothing extra. Keep your hands out your pockets. You drop something, leave that shit where it's at. Leave that stuff where it's at. Don't ever forget that being black is an honor, because you come from greatness.
I'm already crying. I'm already crying. What the hell? I am currently watching The T.h.u.g and I'm already freaking crying because it's just so emotional. Today's Sunday. I spent the whole day editing, and I'm just gonna spend the day like watching movies, and I just finished Love Alarm, which I guess I liked it. I mean, I had my predictions. I'm gonna watch The T.h.u.g right now. I know it's gonna make me cry, so I'll see you guys